सहवाग के साथ पता क्या था, कहता यार मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बैट से बॉल लग के उड़नी चाहिए। कहता मेरे को ऐसा ना हो कि मेरे को एफर्ट लगाना पड़े।
मेरे जब पॉडकास्ट पे आए थे तो वीरपा ने बोला था पैर चल रहे हैं नहीं चल रहे उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, रन तो आ रहे हैं ना।
Story with Rahul is that he, like everybody knows him, you know, he is a perfectionist, you know, he's I would call him Amir Khan of cricket world. हाँ। तो वो बंदा अगर आप उसको बैट भेजोगे,
हाँ
and he if he's told you that you know 1 mm इधर या आधा mm इधर और 5 ग्राम इधर या 3 ग्राम इधर,
ओह गॉड,
so you have
इतनी
हाँ,
स्पेसिफिकेशन।
so you have to get it right.
हाँ.
I met Spriti just earlier this year, and one thing that impressed was, you know, दोनों चीजें हैं। एक तो इतना ज्यादा confidence, I was super impressed, you know, the confidence she had, the mental toughness she had, and then there is another aspect, empathy for people. They've got that love, you know, like for the sport, for family, for friends. तो वो you know, there is this side, and then there is that, you know, super confident, mentally tough. And I was blown away by that. मैं यार ये मतलब I've been meeting so many cricketers all my career. I've been in the company for 25 years. वो वाला soft side दिखता नहीं है। इधर क्या है, दोनों चीजें दिख रही हैं। People in the trade, they know that, you know, SG is a separate company. It's called Sampere Greenland.
Yeah.
But
Sampere Greenland. Or it's not Sans Sparrows Greenland.
it's a French
That's
word.
The way. It's a French word.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. एक करण जौहर की मूवी में जो लाइन आती है वो सदियों से ही चलता हुआ आ रहा है, एक बिजनेस SG का। आई वॉन्ट टू, कैन आई यूज दीज पैड्स, कैन आई यूज दीज पैड्स, दिस लोगो दैट इज ऑन दिस पैड, आई एम सिटिंग विद द पर्सन हु इज द फेस ऑफ this brand. Hello Paras.
Hi Neha.
So lovely to have met you and thank you for taking out time for me. However, Paras, वो होता है ना कि अगर if cricket runs in the family then कोई तो cricket खेलेगा, somebody is going to pick up the sport. But Paras has picked up a tennis racket. I don't know why. So I want to know, why have you picked up a tennis racket? And from what I see, you have a very good ranking and all as well. You're playing very well. तो बैट की वजह आपने टेनिस का रैकेट क्यों उठाया?
Boris Becker in '87 won the Wimbledon as a 17-year-old, and that changed me completely. You know, from somebody who was demotivated, that you know I'm scared of a leather ball, to a person who was like, boss, यही मेरा मिशन है. जो ये बोरिस बेकर को ग्लोरी मिल रही है ना, बस यही जाना है. So that was the reason, you know, that Becker winning that Wimbledon was because I wanted to play a sport. But उसका Wimbledon जीतना was the reason why then I moved to tennis and played junior tennis. I was number 3 in the country, staying in Meerut, living in Meerut, playing in a club with people who were like 40, 50 years old.
Okay.
So became number 3 in the country, and then in the senior level, you know, I was in the top 10. I had a ATP ranking. फिर आई रियलाइज्ड कि बॉस ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, क्रिकेट ही खेलना चाहिए था कि खड़े खड़े छक्का मार दो चौका मार दो, बट इन टेनिस
level of fitness and the intensity is different, yeah.
I was talking to a cricketer just last week, IPL star, and he said पारस भाई मैं ना विंबलडन देख के आया and I saw these guys play in the finals and मतलब I am an athlete, मुझे अपने पे शर्म आ रही है कि ये होता है athleticism, you know. He said that, he said I can't see any cricketer ever coming to that level of what they are doing physically, mentally, and just the skill level.
Recently, you've gotten Smriti Mandhana and Jemimah Rodriguez as brand ambassadors. It's absolutely fabulous because I'll tell you why that connect is so important with me, because my daughter has just started playing cricket and she's 11, and through these really powerful girls who seem to lift each other up and that camaraderie that exists in their team, they're giving hope to so many more young girls to take up this sport, you know. And the fact that you have gotten them on board as brand ambassadors is just like an amazing feat.
As a brand, you know, what people remember SG is for Sunil Gavaskar, Rahul Dravid, Mohammad Azharuddin, and then of course, you know, the younger generation starting from Sehwag, Raina, and the current players. As a brand, we were never focused on girls cricket, right? We can't take credit also for this. How it happened was, the girls themselves figured out that if the boys are playing, majority of the boys are playing with the SG bat, we will try it out.
Okay.
And they liked the product, both of them. Both of them were sponsored by different company. and
Oh, and before they started,
before they came to SG.
before they came here.
So they've been
Okay.
with SG for more than, I don't know, using the products for about 5-6 years.
Okay.
But they've been with the brand, sponsored by the brand, with the logo of the brand on the bat for the last 3 years.
Okay.
So both of them, when they tried, yeah, all the boys are using this, all, you know, the men's team is using it, so hum bhi try karte hain. So they tried the product, they really liked the product, and their agents reached out. They said they're with a different bat sponsor, but they want to use your bat. So that bat sponsor is probably not a bat maker. तो उन्होंने कहा कि हमें bat use करना है, and which is not our policy, right? So as a brand, we say, why should we give to a cricketer who's using a different logo? But sometimes you have that gut feeling कि नहीं यार, you know, like, and you have that fondness for an athlete,
Yeah.
as a brand for an
Yeah,
athlete.
yeah.
And like, yeah, let's give it a shot. This is like 5 years ago, 5-6
Okay.
years ago. Let's give it a shot. You know, gut feeling है. There is no process there. There is no science there.
Yeah.
एक gut feel थी, and against we changed our policy a little bit. ऐसे चलो ठीक है, दे देते हैं यार. These girls are enjoying the product. They'll play better. And credit to them, when they finished their contract with those brands, the agents came back to us and said, "Yeah, now." And it happened, you know, in a span of, I think, about a year or so.
Okay.
First, Smriti came. She said, "I finished my contract." The agent reached out and he said she wants to move to SG.
Okay.
And but you know, at that time she'd already become a star. I said, "यार, अब ये थोड़ा steep हो गया." The expectation they have. And credit to them, because they wanted to stay with the brand.
Yeah.
They said, "Okay, we are willing to come closer to what you would want to." You know, the contract amount you are comfortable with, and the rest is history. They've been, both the girls, and the same story. Both the girls are now with SG, and what happened just last year,
Yeah.
the World Cup victory is
Phenomenal feat. Tell me, how have you found them, both of them as individuals, interacting with them? Because, matlab, you've been interacting only with men's cricket team के जो players है. अब you have these two, you know, very nice women who are also, you know, all of a sudden brand ambassadors of the SG brand.
You know, one thing that really impressed me, I haven't met Jemima yet,
Okay.
so I'm due to meet her. But I met Smriti just earlier this year, and one thing that impressed was, you know, दोनों चीजें हैं. एक तो इतना ज़्यादा confidence. I
अच्छा.
was super impressed. You know, the confidence she had, the mental toughness she had. And that is one aspect, and then there is another aspect which is there, that, you know, they've got that empathy for people. They've got you know, that love, you know, like for the sport, for family, for friends. So wo, you know, there is this side, and then there is that, you know, super confident, mentally tough. And I was blown away by that.
Yeah?
I've been meeting so many cricketers all my
Cricketers,
career.
yeah.
I've been in the company for 25 years.
Yeah.
So, you know, when you see anybody, you know, any past legend, people who are playing now who will eventually become legends, you just see that confident side. You just see that side, that boss, you know, we're there. वो वाला soft side दिखता नहीं है. इधर क्या है, दोनों चीजें दिख रही हैं.
Yeah. I think on the field also you can tell when they're, because when I saw the celebrations when they won the World Cup, there is just so, they were so warm and they were just lifting each other up. Also, maybe I am not used to seeing women celebrating in that way, so
Yeah.
it was also a refreshing change.
Yeah.
We're used to seeing the men's cricket team celebrating in, you know, but the smile and the warmth that I could just tell from the camera movement, and, you know, when it was panning to different faces, it was just so lovely to see that.
The girls winning the World Cup, I think that's the best thing that has happened to cricket in the last, maybe
Yeah.
since IPL.
Yeah,
You know, IPL has changed
Yeah.
the scenario. There is so much more money, sponsorships. A lot of cricketers doing well for themselves.
And
It's
now,
not just
like
playing
I
for
said,
India.
You guys are they are you know, women, like more girls are looking up to them to start playing cricket.
Yeah.
My daughter also sits and watches cricket on TV, and she watches them. पहले ज़माने में कहाँ होता था? You know, you were speaking about मिथाली के era पे जब वो बात आके रुक गई थी, and now obviously these girls have carried it forward.
Well, you know, World Cup victory was very, very important. You know, for young girls.
Yeah,
to,
complete game changer. I agree.
Yeah,
Complete game changer.
we've seen that difference now. If you talk to coaches, academies,
Yeah.
you know, there are more younger girls
Yeah.
coming, playing the sport
Yeah.
and trying the sport.
Yeah.
which is happening, you know. If you see other sports like tennis, badminton, basketball, girls are already playing, swimming,
Yeah.
they're already doing it. But
Yeah.
cricket was one sport. They
Yeah.
were staying away from it,
Yeah.
but that's changed now.
I saw a video. I think I saw a reel which Smriti has made. I think she's sitting in the car and somebody's recorded her, and she was speaking about the Sunny Tony bat.
जतिन के साथ
है ना?
जतिन सप्रू के साथ
Yeah, and she's speaking about that bat and she said, boss, भाई हमारे टाइम पे तो यार वो बैट था यार, अगर किसी के पास वो बैट था ना, मतलब they were sorted, you know.
And she meant it, you know, because
Yeah.
I also asked her the same
Yeah.
question. She said, नहीं, you know, for me, Sunny Tony was like, boss, अगर
Yeah.
आपके पास Sunny Tony आ गया,
Yeah.
and having a SG contract also means a lot, you know, because, you know, as a kid, I still remember what SG was for me. As a young girl starting the sport, and now I have a SG contract. It's like, you know, the ultimate thing for me.
Was it like it was very interesting in a way when you know that bat that was named after Mr. Gavaskar and also his initials match with
Yeah.
the initials of your company.
Yeah.
मैं तो कभी-कभी बोलती हूँ मुझे ये जो अपना खुद का initial NB sometimes I buy New Balance clothes, okay? And a lot of people have told me that you buy New Balance for a reason because it has NB written in it. Maybe it is true. I don't know. But what are the stories that you've heard from your family about that bat and Mr. Gavaskar?
So the story is, Mr. Gavaskar at that time, when he was at the top, he had all the offers. You know, he had offers from international brands. At that time, even Power was getting into cricket. You know, so we saw the Power sticker. There were other brands. So he had all the offers, bigger offers from some of those brands. But there was a time when he was in England, he was injured, and my uncle was in England at the same time. And we were at that time making gloves for him. So he started using the gloves, but he still had contracts from other brands. So Mr. Gavaskar was injured in one of the tests, so he didn't play. So he was in his hotel. My uncle was staying in a hotel nearby. And he used to, because he was free, he was in the hotel, couldn't go anywhere, he had some injury. So my uncle met him like every day of that week. And it just clicked, you know, they became friends. And then later on, when his contract was up for renewal, uncle made a pitch to him. He said, why don't you try, we made this bat. At that time, we were making cricket bats, but there was no international cricketer using
So
it.
what was so special about that bat?
See, and Mr. Gavaskar has said that on
अच्छा,
screen. He
हाँ.
said, यार मेरे को बैट पे इतना भरोसा नहीं था,
अच्छा.
but मेरे को कैरन पे बहुत भरोसा था.
अच्छा.
That was my uncle. He said I became good friends, and he said I believed that gentleman कि यार ये मेरे को ना bluff नहीं करेगा. He'll give me a good bat. So he said, यार forget about, you know, those bigger contracts. I just want to be associated with Karen and SG. And rest is history. आज भी कोई अगर देखता है SG
हाँ,
को,
हाँ, हाँ,
like people in the trade, they know that, you know, SG is a separate company. It's called Sampere Greenland.
Yeah.
But
Sampere Greenland.
Greenland.
Or it's not Sansparrel's Greenland.
it's a French
That's the
word.
way. It's a French word.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
word was picked up by my grandfather. You know, when
Okay.
he used to travel to.
What is the story of that name?
So he used to travel to France
Okay.
regularly.
Okay.
Him and his brother used to travel, in fact, more.
Okay.
So wherever they were staying, they saw a store called Sampere.
Okay.
So then he liked that name.
Okay.
He said, what does that mean? He said, it means unparalleled. He said, "That's a good-"
Unparalleled.
हाँ, so he said, that's a good name, and I'll get it registered in India.
अच्छा.
तो ये story है.
Because बहुत लोगों ने after that they were thinking that SG stands for Mr. Sunny Gavaskar. They don't.
Even today.
Yeah.
Even today.
Yeah. आज भी when I was coming, so I said, do you know what SG stands for? He said, isn't it I was speaking to Sid behind the camera, and he said, isn't it? I was thinking it is Sunny Gavaskar. I said, no, it is not. It is not. But yeah. But Paras, have you had any? You have, I'm sure, a lot of cricket stories, and you've heard like मेरे family में भी cricket stories are passed down from, you know, my dad, and every time we used to be sitting together, कुछ ऐसा कोई किस्सा होता, आज मैं तेनू एक किस्सा दसना, आज मैं तेनू, and those, like you were just mentioning off cam, none of those stories were ever repeated. They were all fresh stories from. What memories do you have of him?
So, you know, one thing that I remember, especially of Bedi sir, is he is a very passionate person, you know, and he had that passion for the sport. He had that passion for people in the trade. He had that passion for young cricketers. तो उनका एक स्टोरी ये थी कि you know he would see, he needed a reason to come here. You know, those camps that he used to conduct, or they used to travel to England. Angad used to also travel then. तो वो तो एक बहाना होता था.
हाँ.
You know, basically he just wanted to come here, spend that afternoon with my father, my uncle, and वो बड़े प्यार से, you know, he would make mutton and biryani. And he would call me a day before कि पारस पुत्र की प्लान है, कहाँ हो तुम लोग सब? मैं कहा सर हम मेरठ में ही हैं.
हाँ.
कह रहे मेरा ना मन कर रहा है आके मटन बिरयानी और मटन बना के मैं खुद बना के लाऊंगा.
अच्छा.
The thing with Bedi sir was he had such lovely stories. मतलब we would sit, we'd start midday, have lunch, and then post lunch have a coffee.
Yeah.
And you know, he would not even look at
Yeah.
what time it is. It would be 5 o'clock, and he said, "Oh यार अंधेरा हो गया, मैंने घर जाना है." So that was like a ritual. You know, it was like, you know, and we would also wait कि अब that time of the year when he's either traveling to England or there is this camp happening in India. So those memories are amazing, you know, and the stories he would tell, you know, some of those stories are, you know, it's better that they stay in those closed rooms and they don't go out, but amazing. You
But
know?
one instance that you were mentioning about what happened with that one particular Red Ball, and he was very vocal about what he felt at that time. I want you to just touch upon it a little bit.
So what happened was there's this test match, and we know about cricket balls. You know, there have been issues in the past, nothing new, and India didn't get wickets. तो वो ball soft हो गई थी. तो ये बोला गया कि ball soft हो गई है, and then first thing.
कौन सा year था ये? 2018.
18, yeah.
And India were playing
West Indies.
West Indies.
So it was blown out of proportion because a couple of bowlers also said कि यार ये ball ठीक नहीं है. So Bedi sir called me, you know, when he heard that, you know, that the captain or the bowlers are talking against the ball, और वो इतने aggressive, इतना गुस्सा हो गया. वो कह रहे पारस तेरे को गुस्सा क्यों नहीं आ रहा? मैं बताता हूँ एसजी बॉल क्या है क्या नहीं है. So he went on and on and on, and I was like यार मेरे से ज़्यादा तो इनको, you know, he's more upset about.
He is just very passionate about.
Yeah, so and he said, you know, what SG ball means for the country, for cricket, and how, you know, the sport has evolved. It wasn't there when we were playing, and now we hear people, and to hear the criticism. तेनू गुस्सा क्यों नहीं आ रहा? मैंने तो बड़ा गुस्सा. मैंने कहा, I told him, I said, आप सर, if I put you onto a journalist, आप बोलोगे कह रहे बेनू बोल पुत्र तू. And then he went, you know, he went on and he said everything that he said to me.
Yeah.
You know what the ball has done for the sport, and you know how the red ball has changed cricket. The SG red ball has changed cricket since early 90s till today. So you know that was him. You know he was the sort of a person. You know if he loves you, he will just go all out.
मुझे बॉल दो बिट्टू वहाँ से एक मिनट. मुझे वो I want that ball to come into focus.
Yeah, he would just go all out. Good, you caught it, eh?
Yeah. Come on, yaar. I would know how to catch a cricket ball. Anyway, so he would this particular, every time I would hold a ball, I have seen him holding a ball, and normally if you don't have, let's say, cricketing genetics, you would just hold a ball like this.
Correct.
Okay. Now I have it in me where whenever I am given a cricket ball, I hold the ball like this.
Correct.
And it is just.
Natural.
It is just muscle memory. It is part of my DNA. I don't hold the ball in any other way.
Yeah.
Whenever a cricket ball is given to me, I just hold it like this.
Yes.
You know, and this is your Super 50 ball, which Rahul Dravid has also spoken about.
Yes. It's not a leather ball.
Okay.
It's a leatherette material.
आपको एक पीटा ने award भी दिया है इस ball के लिए.
Yes.
So tell me more about this ball. Like what is so special about this ball?
So while we were thinking of, you know, how do we change the landscape, कि भाई cricket में भी हमको let's get something where coaches, club players, they have something where, you know, ऐसा नहीं है यार ball लेके आए 20 ओवर में 30 ओवर में खराब हो गई. So now this ball can actually, you know, some people are even putting videos on YouTube and saying, boss, it's 70 overs old, 75 overs old, I'm still using it, it's still bouncing, still traveling. तो मजा आता है वो देख के. You know, we would get very excited. It would look like a cricket ball.
Yeah.
Like this is looking like a cricket ball.
Yeah.
But जब खेलने जाते थे तो वो, you know, initial days, like I'm talking about 2.5 years ago, तो वो डालते ही 2 ओवर में फट जाती थी. We didn't have that strength, or sometimes it was too hard. The material we had to work, the core we had to work. How do we stitch it? there is a person sitting on machine, but it's machine made, you know, so
Okay.
that we can scale it up also.
Okay.
So getting it to be made by hand was easier, but getting it made on the machine was even tougher. तो
Yeah.
बहुत, you know, we kept failing. There was a time when my team only said, "Sir, अगर आप frustrate हो रहे हो तो हम रोक देते हैं." मैं कहा नहीं यार लगे रहो.
And this must be more cost effective as well.
Yeah. So you know, like a top grade SG ball is about in the market you can get it for, let's say, about ballpark 3,000 rupees, which is the test grade ball. Then you have a club ball, which is again very very premium. You know, considering what academies pay or what corporate events they spend. So that's about 700-800 rupees, 900 rupees. So this one is available at 3.5 with like 350 rupees.
Oh, that's not bad.
Or even, you know, the white one is available at about 400, little less than 400. So it's reasonable, affordable, and it lasts more than the leather ball.
Very good. When we talk about mental toughness right now, and you have just told me,
Yeah.
there's a marked difference between women's cricketers and men's cricketers. And you're in awe of the women's team and their mental toughness.
Yes. होता क्या है, in the past also this used to happen. Let's go back 30 years, 40 years to our mothers. कि भाई नहीं यार हम homemaker ही हैं. You know, we've been brought up, trained to do this. But now if I see my daughter, if my boys are playing tennis, she'll play tennis. You know, if my boys are going out with their friends, she will go out with their friends. तो अब वो change हो गया है. And now that change is actually you know, it's reached a stage where boss अब क्या हो गया है, अब the girls are outperforming.
Yeah. वो एक दंगल मूवी का डायलॉग था ना, छोरियां छोरों से कम है के.
हाँ वो exactly
Yes,
वही.
yes.
And when you see, you know, when I did not realize, मतलब टीवी पे नहीं पता चल रहा था,
हाँ.
but when I met Smriti, she is like an inch and a half taller than me, and you know, she's got that strength. मैंने कहा यार ये, you know, when you see that person, वो भी factor up नहीं रहा है, that you know, if you start training at the right time, like you were talking about.
Yeah.
And I asked you this question, and now I'm countering myself only.
Yeah.
When you said, you know, she's going for training as a 11-year-old so
Yeah,
that she can
strength.
get strength.
Yeah.
So I questioned you,
Yeah.
यार ये right time है. And now I'm saying, हाँ यार यही right time है. When I met Smriti,
Yeah.
I was in awe. She's stronger, taller than most of the guys.
Yeah. I mean, I have, as a parent, I think it is very important, and I'm a parent to, you know, just a single a girl, and she is by God's grace playing cricket. She's taken after my father, and I hope she continues to do so. I don't know what the future has in store for her, but it is
नहीं, पर वो legacy तो रहेगी ना. The way
Yes.
you're holding the ball.
the way I'm
Is
holding
she
the
a
ball.
spinner?
she's an off spinner, and she's a batsman as well. My whole deal with, I think, getting her to play is not only just that it's in your genetics, so you know, or it's in the legacy that you should start playing, but I really wanted her, and I continue to want her to become mentally and physically very tough, because I also learnt it like that. And there is a large aspect of how my dad has treated me almost like a son.
Yes.
It's like you can also do this, you can also do that, and he's pushed me into all sorts of you know, male-dominated sports उस time पे. So I've been a rally driver, and I remember I did about 3-4 rallies, after which dad said, "हुन ना मैंने लग रहा है तेरे शेर ते मुंह जिस तरह खून लग जाता ना." That is how you have become. So he said, "I think you now need to just take a break and just stop." So when you're raised with a father who, matlab, he believed that you can actually do anything. So I'm passing that. I also have that, na, intrinsically.
And also, like I said, you know, we were probably too focused on you know, the men's cricket or the male cricket, so to say, and then seeing that change happening, you know. And it's not that I won't give the company any credit for it. It's just that, you know, these girls said, "Boss, if you think you are good, we are good enough
Yeah.
to be there, you know, associated with you,
Yeah.
or to even you know, help you to grow."
Yeah.
You know, so now today we are very proud of the Indian women's cricket team.
Yeah.
And the fact that, and we can't lie about it.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने बोला नहीं नहीं हम, we spotted the talent, like
Yeah.
what we claim,
Yeah.
with all the players like KL Rahul, Cheteshwar Pujara, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, you know, Suresh Raina. They've been associated with the brand for, you know, if they're 40 years old or if they're 30 years old, they've been with the brand for 20 years. And they talk about it. So we were not there at that time, but like I said, you know, everything has changed now, and the way the women's cricket has evolved, तो now everybody is focusing on it. You know, you talk about brands. एक brand जिसका मैं नाम ले लूँगा, Nike. So these athletes are their global brand ambassadors. They're not only for India, and that's such a big thing, man. Nike जैसा brand.
It's a big deal.
उससे बड़ा तो कोई brand है नहीं sports में. You know, हम लोगों के लिए तो आप जो भी बोलो, New Balance बोलो, फलाना
I
बोलो,
agree.
Nike is Nike, boss.
Yes. Paras, tell me something about the now red and white ball, say the pink ball that you made that ran into a lot of controversy. What was?
No, there was no controversy with the pink ball.
Okay, what was happening
But
there?
what happened there was, at that time, Saurav Ganguly was the board president.
Okay.
And Indian captains were not agreeing to play pink ball. So Dada got Virat to agree to play a pink ball test, and it just happened very suddenly. Like there was a meeting, he got Virat to agree, you know, we'll play against Bangladesh, and the report we have, it's not going to be that drastic that, you know, we should shy away from playing pink ball. So Virat also, you know, obviously the respect Ganguly has for, you know, for a young captain, he said, ठीक है, we'll play. तो वो सब हो गया, and then suddenly we get a call from BCCI कि, you know, there's this test match in 3 weeks, and because in India test matches have to happen with the SG ball, are you guys ready? तो हमने कहा, and we had done work, but obviously not to that level where a test match would happen. So we had 3 weeks, or credit to again our R&D team and the production team. In 3 weeks, like we were working every day 20 hours. Ki boss, we have to get it right. And there was a lot of media attention. At that time, we had every media come to the factory and cover कि क्या होगा. They built it up.
Okay.
बॉल चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, वो पिंक रहेगी नहीं रहेगी, आपने बॉल टेस्ट करी हुई है, आपकी बॉल पास है. It was very exciting. Those 3 weeks were very exciting, and then the match happened, and there was no issue. It just played like a regular ball, but the thing was they had more grass, which is needed for pink ball, so that the color stays for 80 overs minimum.
So what was the difference between that and the regular?
So see, the red ball is dyed, and the leather is dyed, and then you use it. It's got a different property altogether. You know, you can shine it, it'll reverse swing. But the pink ball, made for test cricket, was made the same way a white ball is made.
Okay.
So the challenge there is, how will it reverse swing, or whether, you know, like we've seen white ball after 25, like in one day they have 2 white balls, and in 2020 it's just 20 overs. So, you know, that entire technology is now made for those 25-30 overs, for the ball to last, for the color to stay on the ball.
Okay.
अब अगर वो टेस्ट मैच है, so it has to stay for 80 overs. So the challenge is, how do you retain the color for that much longer? So it needed more processes on that product. So all that we had to do, you know, like obviously we tested it before, but it was a challenge, you know, and we were nervous about it, you know, how the ball would play, although we'd done those tests during those 3 weeks. And India won the test easily. Virat Kohli scored 100. सब खुश हो गए, हम भी खुश हो गए.
Okay.
So that was the story of
ये
the
है
pink ball.
उसकी, ये.
But there was a lot of coverage, you know, media coverage, lot of hype around it.
I want to hear now cricket stories from you, okay? Because your family, I'm sure, has like tons of stories where they've interacted with so many cricketers. Who's been your favorite, or who's been somebody who really comes to your mind when you talk on cricket memorabilia, or picking up bats, or just choosing the ball? Somebody who comes here.
So one player that I have worked very closely is Rahul Dravid.
Okay. Okay.
And Sehwag also. So I'll first talk about Rahul, and then I'll talk about Sehwag.
Complete legends of the game in their own right.
And I've learned a lot from them. You know, servicing them for their gear. You just don't learn about the product. You also learn about the thought process. So, you know, story with Rahul is that he, like everybody knows him, you know, he is a perfectionist. You know, he's I would call him Amir Khan of cricket world. हाँ. तो वो बंदा, अगर आप उसको बैट भेजोगे, and if he's told you that, you know, 1 mm इधर या आधा mm इधर और 5 ग्राम इधर या 3 ग्राम इधर.
Oh God.
So you have
इतनी specification.
So you have to get it right. And this is me having a conversation with his wife, Vijita,
Okay.
where, you know, she would sometimes call me and tell me, yaar, and my nickname is Juni, so
Okay.
she wouldn't call me Paras. She said, Juni, यार ये तूने क्या बैट भेज दिया यार, उसका मूड ही खराब हो गया. So then I would ask, before I would talk to Rahul Dravid, I would understand, you know, what has happened here. So she said he wanted it maybe 5 grams heavier or 5 grams lighter or 1 mm there. यार वो हुआ नहीं है. So I was like, Vijita, ये ना, you know, handmade है, natural material है. पता क्या होता है? Sometimes the moisture in the air, the weight goes up.
The weight goes up.
मैंने तो यहाँ पे इस weight पे भेजा था, वहाँ वो कहती तू किस भी weight पे भेज यार, जब ये अपने weighing scale पे रखेगा ना, इसे वही weight चाहिए जो इसका weight होता है. So you know that.
So what sort of a bat does he prefer, Rahul?
So Rahul's bat was very, very light.
Light.
Very light.
Okay.
He had probably the lightest bat in that era.
Huh.
You know that Tendulkar, Ganguly, Lakshman, Sehwag, Dravid wale era mein, his was the lightest bat.
Okay.
And he picked it up from, he picked up Mohammad Azharuddin's bat.
Okay.
So this is, I'm talking about mid 90s.
Yeah.
So he was not with SG as a kid. Rahul was never with SG. So Rahul was using a different brand, but then when he came to the Indian team, he saw Mohammad Azharuddin's bat. And he said, यार ये इतना light भी bat बन सकता है. तो and Azhar bhai, you know, he said, बेटा ये SG के bat ऐसे ही होते हैं. तो Rahul then requested him, he said, आप मेरे को SG का bat दिला दो. You know, like he was sponsored again with a different bat sticker.
Okay.
But he said, I want a SG ka bat. Rahul started reaching out. Here, irrespective of what my sticker is, I want to use a SG bat. And it took him like, you know, some time for
So the sticker was something else,
a different brand. You know?
and the bat was yours.
No, Rahul was using a different bat. A different bat maker with a
Yeah.
different... वो bat maker का sticker नहीं था.
अच्छा.
So he liked Azhar's bat, or basically he picked up some lighter bats which were SG bats. So that's the story how he came to us. तो वो story अभी भी है, you know, if somebody wants to use a very light bat, only one brand is there who can make, you know, who can give you that weight. So that was the link there. And then when I started interacting with him, that was I think around year 2000, and till the time he retired, 2013. So we were like on a call almost every other week, discussing and trying to improve his bat. And that is how he was. You
What
know,
a perfectionist.
Yeah.
My
For
God.
those 13 years.
सही बोला फिर वहाँ में what did you say? He's a
Amir Khan of
Khan
cricket
of the cricket world.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, who goes into probably being very nitpicky about the blade and the this, that, and the other.
So
as well,
I
yeah?
had the two guys I was working very closely with at that time. And this is from 2000 till about 2014 when Viru, I think his last IPL was 14 or 15. तो वो 15 साल थे जिसमें दूसरा बंदा वीरेंद्र सहवाग था और सहवाग के साथ पता क्या था, कहता यार मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बैट से बॉल लग के उड़नी चाहिए. कहता मेरे को ऐसा ना हो कि मेरे को एफर्ट लगाना पड़े. मेक श्योर दैट पंच इज देयर, आई डोंट केयर क्या वेट है, बैलेंस होना चाहिए, पंच होना चाहिए, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. एंड ही वाज
मेरे जब पॉडकास्ट पे आए थे तो वीरूपा ने बोला था पैर चल रहे नहीं चल रहे उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, रन तो आ रहे ना.
So you know he was also clear कि boss, if I am, let's say, you know, if I'm a hand and eye kind of a player, I needed to fly off the bat.
Yeah.
तो मुझे एक ही चीज ध्यान रखना यार, पारस एक ही चीज रखना कि उसमें ना पंच होना चाहिए, बाकी मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा.
तो what sort of a bat does Virupa prefer?
So Viru was, in fact, you know, we have a very traditional shape. SG shape is very, very traditional और हमारे यहाँ system में उसको यही बोलते हैं. It's called the SG shape. And at that time in India, everybody was using pretty much that shape. अगर if you look at, you know, if you would look at Tendulkar's bat, it was that shape, but they were, because he used a 1350 grams bat, which was like almost 250 grams heavier than what Rahul Dravid was using. So, but because it was a heavier bat, that traditional shape, it had more wood on the back. Obviously, if you are allowed to give more weight, there would be more wood on the bat. तो वो वही traditional shape चलती आई है बहुत time से. And then there was a little bit of bow which came in because Sachin was using a lot of bow in his bat. तो उसके बाद there was this bat shape which Australian cricketers were using, made by an Australian bat maker. That bat we got hold of in 2001. So we were a different shape, completely different shape. The the weight of the bat was not lower, it was right in the middle. Because Australian wickets के हिसाब से था वो, you know, the ball would come up,
Yeah.
so you can't have a bottom heavy bat.
हाँ.
It had the weight in the middle. तो वो वाली shape हमने copy करी for some of the Australian players we were servicing. And Viru saw that bat when he played Australia, and he said, "Yeah, Paras, I want to try that Australian shape. This is one traditional Indian shape, and
Australian
he started
shape.
calling it the Australian player shape."
Okay.
So he said, "Yeah, I want to try that shape." So when Viru tried that shape, he loved it. He said, "Boss, this is it." Because, you know, my style, the way I play, and I'm opening, the ball is hard, it bounces more, and, you know, he scored
Yeah.
all over the world. He scored in
Yeah.
South Africa, he scored in Australia, New Zealand, everywhere he scored. So he liked that shape, which was completely different. मतलब अगर वो वाली
Which one was he using when he played when he got that tagline of the Sultan of Multan? तब कौन सा बैट यूज कर रहे थे?
at that time he had moved to this Australian shape.
अच्छा, मैं because I refer to him, that is the only thing I called him. Sultan of Multan is the only thing I will refer to you.
So he had moved to that Australian shape, and then he continued using that. And post his using that shape, you know, a lot of younger cricketers like Raina and some even Virat initially for that matter. So they, because he was using it and the way he was batting, he was also, you know, like people would look up to him. यार ऐसे कौन मारता है टेस्ट क्रिकेट में या वनडे क्रिकेट में? So that shape became popular. But now nobody's using that Australian kind of a shape in India. Everybody's moved back to either the traditional shape, or there is another shape where, you know, you take weight off at the bottom. So those are the two popular shapes now.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's also evolved. You know, that
Okay.
Australian shape in India has totally gone out. He preferred was exactly like I said, na, Australian shape thi. So that was a 1160 gram bat.
Okay.
So which is medium. It's not light. It's not heavy like a Dhoni ka 1300 grams or a Sachin Paji ka 1350.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
ऐसा is that like a popular belief, Paras, that a heavier bat connects with the ball better? ऐसा कुछ है? है?
It will go further.
It'll go further.
Yeah, it will go further. There obviously the more wood you have
हाँ.
on the
So
bat.
if someone was to choosing a bat, let's say these first time cricketers or first time, you know, first timers, what would you recommend? मतलब for them to what heaviness or maybe कितना भारी बैग हो या कितना light bat आप उनको बोलेंगे choose
See,
करने के लिए?
Two things are very important for any cricketer while choosing a bat, and it will vary from one person to another person. वो ये है that, you know, your A is your strength, how strong you are, and which the first factor is your balance. You know, when you pick up a bat, are you feeling okay? Because sometimes, you know, for a kid who's, let's say, very tall, 12, 13-year-old kid who's almost 5'11" or 6 feet tall, he would be tall, he would use a full size, but he would not have the strength of somebody who's maybe shorter in height but older with more muscle mass. तो वो बड़ा, you know, you can't tell till the time you understand the strength of that person, what is that person's weight. That is one aspect where if
So
you're
it has to do with your physical strength also.
so if you look at both Sachin and Dhoni,
हाँ.
they were both very, very strong.
Okay.
You know, they you know, you the strength they had or the game that they had, the heavier bat suited their style. But, you know, for somebody choosing the bat for the first time, two things, you know, balance, and post the balance, just the swing. You know, like I'm a tennis player. If I pick up a tennis racket, first thing I'll feel is it balanced for me? And that has got to do with the strength I have. Post that is your swing. You know, when I swing a racket or when I swing a bat, am I comfortable? Do I feel that if I'm, let's say, playing at a level of 120 kilometers, when I'm facing a ball of 120 or 110 or 100 kilometers, will I be able to swing on time? So ये दोनों factors बहुत crucial है, balance and the swing, and it will vary from every individual. You can't say कि यार, you know, just pick up a 1160 gram and that will work for everybody. It won't. Sometimes a lighter, sometimes a heavier, because if there is more mass, you need to use less of your strength. If there is less mass, more the swing, that means you're using your muscle more. तो वो balance जो है ना, वो that is very very tricky.
Yeah.
That is very tricky.
अब आप एक्चुअली धोनी की बैटिंग की बात कर रहे हो ना, तो when I was covering a lot of his when I was working with the news, I was covering a lot many times when he used to be playing, and that helicopter shot that he had started, and the switch thing that he had started. Well, did he do those with your bats?
I don't remember exactly whether he would have hit, but there was a period where he was using SG bat also. और धोनी का SG bat supply करने वाला बंदा वो सुरेश रैना था.
अच्छा.
Because Raina has been with us since he was a teenager. And then of course they've played for India together, and they played in Chennai, CSK together. So there was that period when Raina was there, Dhoni was using a lot of SG bats. And like I said, uska heavy bat tha, the way he was playing, the way he was hitting the ball, it worked for him. And he's a strong athlete, he's not somebody who's light in weight or doesn't have the strength to.
No, he's got very good built forearms and all as well. I've seen. Yeah. So connect with to pick up a heavy bat.
Big size bat and the heavier bat was helpful for him in hitting. Playing lower down the order, whether it was one days, whether it was test matches or even T20s. He'd just come down and from word go, he'd start smashing the ball.
Yeah.
So the bat. Depends on your playing style also.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much, Paras. It's been
pleasure.
It's been so amazing listening to you, listening to the stories. And like I said, when I first walked into this massive factory that Paras has, मुझे तो goosebumps आ गए थे, because my dad used to love coming here. And as luck would have it, the moment I came in, there was his book. Which was placed on like a display thing. There were his photographs and all of that, so it almost felt like he's also
a part of it.
He's also part of it.
Definitely.
And he's also come with me in as, I mean, it's just, it feels very strange. I don't know if you guys are trying to get what I'm trying to say, but it really feels like वो भी है मेरे आसपास, अभी बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, So,
and that's the conversation we had. I think that tradition should continue. And it'll be good, when you meet dad and uncle. All stories.
Are they here? I would like to meet them.
Yeah, definitely,
okay,
definitely.
I would want to meet them then.
So there'll be stories, and one of the stories is that my uncle used to play for university.
Okay.
And he played a game with Bedi sir. And he actually played very well.
Okay.
And that's how Bedi sir noticed him. He said, I've never heard of this cricketer, and I'm playing a game. And him obviously being played at that level, he was in fact impressed by my uncle playing that game.
Okay.
And he remembered it also.
Okay.
So, and that's how the connection happened, and the respect, mutual respect.
How nice. So
because he was not a SG athlete. He was sponsored by some other brands, but the friendship that these guys had was basis the game that happened, and they became very good friends. Abhi sunna aap story.
And then as luck would have it, I am sitting here with you. But like a month or two ago, I was in Kashmir, and as soon as you land in Srinagar, you're taking the drive down to Subi.
So many bat factories.
Oh my God, the amount of bat factories! And my daughter is like, "Can we pick up a bat? Can we pick up a bat? Please stop somewhere so we can pick up a bat." And I said, no, we'll go back and we will, I will touch base with you, and we will come. And my idea was not to sit and chat with you over cricket stories and to chat with you over how this particular vegan ball that you've made. My idea was to get her here to get some cricket equipment for you. And I mean, just see where we landed. So it's been beautiful. Thank you so much, Paras.
Pleasure.
Thank you
Thank
once
you so much.
again.
Thank you.